All right, let's go ahead and check them out here. So we got two pieces of equipment here, or two pieces of merchandise. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy G back on another video. All right, so today we're gonna open some merchandise from TOMTOC here. So TOMTOC, creator of really good case for other gadgets here. I believe this is for Steam Deck. They reached out to me and said that they're gonna send me a carrying case in a hard shell case for our Steam Deck. So let's go ahead and check them out. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to our channel, Glenn Thoughts. I upload, I unbox and review products like this, so that you can check what you will see, if you will purchase a product like this. It might help you in your purchase decision. Thanks so much for subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and check them out here. So we got two pieces of equipment here, or two pieces of merchandise. Again, this is a hard case. I believe that's the gray one, and the black bag, like a shoulder or a carrying bag. Now I do have a bag already from JSOX. That's pretty good. But this one is from TOMTOC. As you can see there, it's even wrapped in the plastic with their own branding and such. So that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and check this little hard case though. I'm interested to check this out because it seems smaller than the actual, default or stock case. But look at that. Ooh, that's a pretty good texture here. Kind of like a denim or something. And it has a TOMTOC logo here that is not just written, it's actually like pasted there. Pretty good. You can also see like contours and shape there, an inverted zipper, and it's pretty thin. If you realize, it's basically thin to the point that it's contouring, or it's already shaping the actual Steam Deck. Now, one thing that I like is it has this carrying strap on the top. Now let's check inside. You do have a QR code there if you want to check that out. That's for their website, essentially for product information for the actual product. Polyester, that's the main material. Model number is A0538G1. That's pretty handful. So it's just TOMTOC carrying case, right, or a hard shell case. Now there's a thick foam here that will protect your Steam Deck's vent area. So it will press it. It's not gonna rattle inside. You also have some contouring and a very smooth material underneath, which is pretty good, right? That will protect your actual Steam Deck from scratches and such. On the top, you do have this little pocket here that will protect the screen from any scratches and whatnot, and you can also put some SD cards or something thin there. On the cover itself, you can see that it's contouring the actual shape of the D-pad, the buttons, the face buttons, joysticks, and even trackpad. But it's pretty trendy, right? I like it because that the content of it is Steam Deck. Now this is my Steam Deck here. I'm rocking the JSOX mod case, which is pretty thick, right? If you have this one, but let's see if it will actually fit. And ooh, it's actually very snug fit, right? It's not moving, it's not rattling. And just close it like so. Wow, I love how thin it is, and it's not rattling, it's not moving inside. It's very fit. Again, I'm rocking the JSOX mod case, but it's really good fit. And then you can just pick it up using that strap on the top, which is appreciated. I like this. I prefer this than the actual thick boy case, the black case from Valve. Although of course you're gonna miss the logo if you're after that, but I prefer this because it's a lot thinner than the stock case. By the way, this is my stock, carrying case from Valve itself. Just for a quick comparison, for the size itself, it's pretty much the same. A little bit smaller on the actual size, but the big differentiating factor is the thickness. It's just very thin compared to the Valve case, right? So if you notice, that's the Valve case, which is very thick, and this one is very thin because of the contoured shape and whatnot. So that's the biggest differentiating factor. And again, I prefer this than the stock one. All right, now moving to the bag itself. This is like the sling bag, carrying bag, shoulder bag. I don't know, body bag, right? Doesn't sound right, but it's a sling bag. Again, I do have one of these already from JSOX. JSOX is pretty weird though. It has a hard shell material in front, so it's just dedicated Steam Deck. You know, it's kind of awkward to use and anything else. But one thing that I really like on this TOMTOC one, if you notice, it's just actually a traditional bag, right? Like a normal bag. So if you notice, model number is A05371. Again, pretty handful, but this is made of very high quality material, right? If you notice, I'm putting it as close as possible here so you can check the material in the build. I really like it. It's very sturdy, very thick, right? The actual fabric, the actual material, you can see the logo there, is very thick, and it looks like it's even like possibly water resistant, right? You know, it's not waterproof, but it probably water resistant because it's really good. It's really built good, right? Now, I've seen a lot of cheaper bags out there. You know, this is not it. This is really made of high quality materials, and everything seems to be perfect. Now, the zippers, all of the zippers are also inverted, you know, so for trending, I think that's the trend now. But let's check the insides of this. There's some bubble wrap there. But this is inside. We do have a strap inside. Let me just get this one up. So of course, this is like a sling bag, or you know, like a shoulder bag. So we're just gonna put this strap, you know, hook it up so you can just wear it as like a shoulder bag or sling bag. Very good material as well. There's a logo there for TOMTOC, and it has padding and all. But let's get back inside and let's inspect what's inside of this bag. Now, if you notice, there's a foam. There's an interesting foam inside, but there's also a pocket inside where you can put your wallet, your keys, and whatnot. Very good. You know, I always like inside pocket like this. So that's good. And the zipper has a red string as well, so it's very noticeable. Now there's a foam, a very thick boy foam here. If you notice, there's a little pocket there, and then this is a pretty big foam, and this is meant to protect your actual Steam Deck, right? It's gonna sit like that. So if you once you have your Steam Deck inside, it's gonna protect the actual analog joysticks, right? And then the screen, making sure that they're not gonna bump into other materials on your bag, right? They're made of very thick padded foams there, very smooth material, which will not scratch your actual screen. Now on the back, as you can see, there's also a very thick foam here. There's that's where your screen will face, right? So your screen will basically be protected from any scratches and hard surfaces, right? It's just gonna face like a soft foam there. Of course, you can strap it like so to secure your Steam Deck. So let's go ahead and grab our Steam Deck here, and let's see if it's actually going to fit. All right, we're gonna place it like so, face or the screen facing the thick foam there. And if you notice, when you strap it like this, the contour will protect the grips, right? And then the analog joysticks are well protected as well next to the thick foam, right? Now, there's a lot of space inside, so you can put your mouse in if you want to put your mouse in that. Basically, you're going to use like, I don't know, like power bank like this, right? So I'll always bring my power bank. As you can see, I have a 65 watt, 20,000 milliamp power bank here. So you can just slide it like so. What else? You know, if you have like cables or other stuff that you can, you know, you want to put, for example, a very lengthy USB cable, which you're not going to use because this is not the cable for the power bank. I just grabbed some cable near me. But yeah, it's very neat because if you notice, you already have the Steam Deck, power bank, and cables. But if you look at this, it's still looking like low profile, right? It doesn't look as bulky as other bag. So you can absolutely rock this. You know, you just put your cell phone on that or put your wallet on that, and you're good to go, right? Just strap this one. Let's go ahead and strap this. Boom, and you're ready to go, right? With that padded strap. Just put it in your shoulder and your crossbody, and you're good. You know those very trendy body bag, right? Or strap, body strap, right? Strap bag. It looks like that, and again, it will protect your Steam Deck, as you can see, and then it will also allow you to put a lot of things inside, which is pretty good. Now, I actually prefer this than my JSOX bag because of several factors, right? But one main thing is you can put it like so, as you can see, as a traditional bag. Open the zipper on the top and then just use it like so. On the JSOX, it's kind of like vertical, right? It's a little bit cumbersome. I will put my review under the description as well if you're interested to check that out. But it's a little bit cumbersome. You cannot open it like while walking on a mall or something, because you might like let your things just fall, right? If you're if you're using that. But again, this is the TOMTOC's hard shell that we just unboxed a little bit ago, and this is the bag from TOMTOC. I absolutely love them. I actually don't know TOMTOCs personally, but one thing I can tell you, the quality of these materials are top-notch. Quality of this product are top-notch. So right now, I'm probably going to follow TOMTOC now because they create really, really awesome merchandise. Probably not only for Steam Deck, but for other stuff as well. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Click the like button if you like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, any comments regarding this bag, regarding this case from TOMTOC. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. Again, I unbox things like this. It might help you in your purchase decision. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.